Man, damn, I forgot. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K Rex, and I'm back at it with another video. Now today, y'all know, I don't know what the hell these scientists got going on, or what the hell they trying to bring back to life, nigga. If they wanted to, they would bring back Frankenstein, nigga. Maybe even Dracula. Who fucking knows? Maybe fucking Jurassic World, nigga. Who fucking knows?
A few moments later.
Of a dire wolf hasn't been heard on planet Earth for more than 10,000 years.
Damn!
Hey Ben, it's Jeff Kluger from Time Magazine. A pleasure to meet you.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about what the goal is for de-extincting and
Please tell us.
ultimately, why are you doing this work?
It became abundantly clear that we need new tools and technologies for conservation. And so we
I just want to let y'all know, if they didn't brought this shit back, nigga, they gonna bring back the woolly fucking mammoth, the saber-tooth tiger, nigga. Shit, they gonna bring back some shit that we ain't never seen, bro. This shit is crazy, bro. They done brought back an extinct animal, my nigga. An extinct animal!
create value, create impact, inspire people, and then also hopefully thoughtfully rewild some of these species, which apparently will also have ecological benefits to these different potential ecosystems.
To try and do that, Colossal needed to understand dire wolves at a genetic level. The company has documented the process from the beginning and shared this footage with Time for a cover story.
The tooth.
So can you tell me a little bit about what went into engineering the dire wolf?
We extracted DNA from two fossils that we knew from previous work had some amount of preserved ancient DNA. One was a 13,000-year-old bone, and the other was a 72,000-year-old bone, an inner ear bone. We were able to generate two genomes, two direwolf genome sequences from that, which we then compared to all the other wolves.
Y'all seen the fucking size of that fucking skeleton, though?
We were able to generate two genomes, two direwolf genome sequences, 1,000-year-old bone.
Bro, y'all see how big that shit is?
Damn!
Look at the fucking jaws of that thing, bro. Then this just the upper jaw. Look. Bro, if y'all watch a lot of like Geographic and shit like that, like National, bro, y'all don't know, bro. Wolves used to be twice as bigger than what they is now, bro. These niggas used to hunt bisons, bro.
Wait a minute.
These animals, these creatures was bigger back then, years ago, because the atmosphere on Earth was in the art. The air was basically like a little harder to breathe or some shit like that. I don't want to say it wrong, but bro, these animals used to be bigger creatures, bro, than what they is now. They didn't smaller down because they had to evolve around the atmosphere, bro. Earth has changed multiple times, millions of years, bro. It's never the same, bro. And that's what had me thinking, like, okay, think about it like this.
One eternity later.
Just how life evolved over these years is crazy, bro. The Earth will always shift, bro. If y'all know something about the tectonic plates and all that shit, bro, that shit was, bro, that's a real thing, bro. The fucking, the Ice Age, that's a real thing, bro. Imagine what the fuck they discovering and we don't know about it. Look at Antarctica, my nigga. You can't even live in that motherfucker. It's so damn cold, but they be out there, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro, it's some shit out there they probably got in the lab right now, bro. It's so much they not telling us, bro. You know what I'm saying? But that's another story, bro. Let's get back to the video.
An inner ear bone. We were able to generate two genomes, two direwolf genome sequences from that, which we then compared to all the other wolves for which there's already been data generated. And when we do that, we want to figure out where it is that these two dire wolves are similar to each other, but different from the other wolves that are out there. And so we come up with filled in their ecosystems when they were still alive.
Using this knowledge, Colossal then made 20 modifications to 14 genes in the DNA of common gray wolf cells. These relatively few tweaks to the genetic
People don't know,
code
bro, but wolves is
produce some
very,
big
like,
differences.
unique,
The dire
bro.
wolf's white
How they
coat,
hunt, how they
large
move in
size,
packs, they
characteristic
stamina, bro, it's
vocalizations
crazy,
like
bro.
that howling you heard at the beginning of the story, and more. That DNA was transferred to denucleated egg cells, meaning cells without their own genetic material, and then developed into embryos and were then implanted in the wombs of surrogate mothers, who were hound mixed dogs.
We didn't know how big these embryos would grow and wanted to make sure that the surrogate was healthy. So we picked large dogs.
Romulus and Remus, named after the Roman mythological twin brothers who were raised by a wolf, were born on October 1st, 2024. And in January, they were joined by a younger sister that the Colossal team named Khaleesi. Each wolf is on track to grow to as large as 6 feet long and 150 pounds. Colossal does not want to disclose this location in order to protect the animals.
I think these are the luckiest animals ever.
What? Stop the cap!
Dire wolves aren't the only species on Colossal's de-extinction agenda.
An American company says it has genetically engineered
to eventually bring back the prehistoric woolly mammoth.
They hope to de-extinct the woolly mammoth as early as
I heard about that.
2028. The company is also hoping to bring back the dodo and the Tasmanian tiger.
When you're playing with nature, nature usually wins. Nature is
yeah.
much more complicated than the ability of our brains to understand it. Genes do many things. There may be a lot of unintended consequences. Let's say we alter a gene to make extra hair or to make it burn metabolism
Beavers be
more,
chilling, bro.
burn fat more. Those genes may do other things in ways that we just don't even understand. So we may create animals that have lots of medical problems. If we start tinkering with genes, we may create a super mouse, a super rat that kills.
Man, you better not bring back no.
But the team at Colossal
A super rat? You heard what these niggas? A super rat, bro? Who the fuck wanna?
Is also about stopping the disappearance of endangered ones today, as experts predict Earth will lose 30% of its genetic diversity by 2050.
Bro, the Earth is so beautiful,
Colossal
bro.
has used techniques learned from the Dire Wolf Project to clone 4 red wolves, a small but important step in fortifying that endangered species. The 4 new wolves could help inject fresh
like a goddamn
DNA
coyote.
into the red wolf gene pool, which currently suffers from a so-called genetic bottleneck.
It's a small wolf. That's like a coyote, though.
Individuals.
It would be really amazing to see a mammoth. It would be great for the habitats of Tasmania to have a keystone predator reintroduced into that ecosystem.
Man, leave this shit alone. Them animals had they goddamn time, bruh. Damn. Then y'all remember not too long ago, these motherfuckers talking about bringing back goddamn zombie virus, bro. They found it in the ice. Bro, I swear. Nigga, let this shit be like fucking Resident Evil, my nigga. The Walking Dead World War Z in this bitch. We're doomed. Even prehistoric, it's prehistoric for a reason, bro. Leave that shit alone, bro. What's here today? Study that shit. What was that years ago? Leave that shit alone. I understand you curious. You a scientist, what you want to do. Man, leave that shit alone, though, bro. Nobody got time walking around no fucking T-Rex walking around this bitch eating niggas up, bro.
A few moments later.
Stop. Them animals was dominant in their time, bro. You bring them shits back now, bro. They natural behavior is going to take over regardless, bro. That is an animal, bro. Its instinct is always to hunt, always to kill what's in front of it, bro. Leave that shit alone.
You're goddamn right.
We need to spend more money on conservation. Particularly now, there's a lot of threats.
Nigga, spend more money on making sure we live long, nigga, not aging. How about that? Like that, bro, that's always my theory. Like, can we live long? Can y'all come over with something else than helping us stay on this bitch a little longer? Man, look, man. If a fucking turtle can live millions of years, nigga, find some in his DNA to give us some so we can live long too like that.
One eternity later.
Look how much this money got to say. These signs on another too. Anyway, if you made this for the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification bell on. If you're new, it's your boy, K Bizzle, man. I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, bro. Support your boy, you know what I'm saying? That's all I ask for. That being said, I'm gonna catch you on the next video. I'm gone.